In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove holidays from your Google Calendar, a useful skill if you're looking to customize your schedule and focus only on the most important dates. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Google Apps. This step might sound simple enough, but let's break it down just a bit more. You can find the Google Apps icon in the form of a grid located in the upper right-hand corner of most Google-related pages. This grid icon gives you a convenient gateway to a variety of services that Google offers, such as Gmail, Drive, and of course, Calendar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with all the apps you have access to. Once you've opened the Google Apps drop-down, your next task is to click on Calendar. Clicking on Calendar will take you to your Google Calendar interface. For those who might not use this tool often, the calendar is Google's intuitive way to help you keep track of appointments, events, and as we'll see today, public holidays. Being able to personalize your calendar is an excellent way to take control of your time. Upon entering the calendar interface, you should notice various tabs and options, but today our focus is on the Other Calendars section. Now you'll find this on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. It's easy to miss if you're not looking in the right spot, but don't worry, it's exactly where you need to be to manage shared and additional calendars. With this step behind you, you're now ready to make a direct change. Within the Other Calendars tab, you're going to see a list of calendars that you have either subscribed to or that Google has automatically added to your view, such as holidays. Scroll through this list until you come across the specific holiday calendar that you want to be removed from your view. This could be a national holiday calendar, for example. Now here comes the critical part. To the right of the holiday calendar's name, you should see an X icon. Clicking this X is your key to removing it from your Google Calendar view. A simple action, yet wildly effective in helping you streamline what you see each time you open up your calendar to plan your schedule. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully removed an unnecessary holiday from cluttering your schedule, giving you more room to focus on what truly matters. This small adjustment can make a big difference in reducing visual distraction and keeping you on track with your day-to-day tasks. Adjusting your calendar to fit your specific needs is just one great way to enhance productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was as helpful as it was straightforward. Happy calendaring.